Guys, welcome back to another vloggy vlog. So today we're in the town of Ocho Rios and we're heading towards Margaritaville because I'm supposed to meet up with my sister. So on our way there, a bus man just decided to overtake a line of traffic. I don't know where I'm depend, but we never in it with him. So upon arriving at Margaritaville, you have to sanitize your hands because of COVID, and you have to follow the protocols. This lighting is busting. So now we're inside of Island Village and we're on the boardwalk. Straight ahead is where the beach is. Over to my right is where you have the souvenirs, Jamaica souvenirs, tourists come and buy all of that. And over to the left is the entrance to Margaritaville itself. So straight ahead is where you'd find Starbucks and the beach with a nice view. So I was trying to get her on her cell phone, but I wasn't getting through. So we went on the beach to try and look for her. That was not successful. However, we still got through to her though. So I actually came in the town to meet my sister. We never get to video that. Now we are walk. I'm not sure where I go, but we just a walk. So we ended up walking around the marina in Ocho Rios. So that's where you do all the water sports, tubing, rent a yacht, all that good stuff. All the water sports that you want to do, you do it around there. And straight on this stretch, that will take you to Ocho Rios Bay Beach and further along in the town. So I'm just showing you the view of around here. So we were just walking. We honestly didn't know, we didn't have anything planned on what we were going to do. We were just walking along the stretch until I got a call from my friend saying to meet her because we're going to a truck lighting, which you'll see further along in the video. Yeah, so we were just basically going with the flow. So now we met up with my friend and we're on our way to the truck lighting. It's Independence and Emancipation weekend, so you're going to see a lot of Jamaica decor on the hotels and public sector buildings. And we finally reached the venue now for the truck lighting. Alright guys, so I'm at a truck lighting right now. Something like candle lighting, but I would truck. Tell me I had to come fishing. I know I'm not seeing no fish where they catch still, but so Tyrone went fishing and we were in the house and we were bored, so we decided to go down there with them. It's my first time going down there. I didn't know what to expect or anything. I know all them through the line, I know nothing. I was just there watching as he did what he did. And I catch something.
You can fish that? Not even one. Oh, fish that.
So before we arrived, they actually caught eels. Tyrone claims a fish snake, which you see now. What's that?
Snake. Fish snake. Eel. Fish.
Next thing to invest in
Fish.
boat.
Fish. Fish.
Guys, we're trying to make it out. Jesus! Civilization! Guys, we reach one different part now. Come down some step. Some people come up there, sir? Yeah. Up there, sir? Mercy. Jesus. Woo! Views from the 6.
Hey, you see all the first night when I so busy.
How do you see what's that? What like?
I them aside the down so. Way back. Step on the next side.
Yeah, they catch one.
You catch one next one.
Yeah.
Gog lie.
Fish them outside.
Yes, sir.
We're going to fry fish.
Oh, man.
We're going to fry. Yeah, muscle man.
Don't let go.
Holy muscle man. Fuck. Let's sit down and knock up.
No, I can't put it back over there, sir.
Just yeah.
As you can meticulously scrutinize. As you can see, guys, we actually caught some fish. Yeah, I will scale them for come on. Well, Kevin scaled them. Big up Kevin. And right here, he was showing me that this is the egg from the eel, and he's saying that it can be fried and they can eat.
Think you fry see me?
No, so then could have fire blood deep.
So the skin them or something.
Yeah.
Me take a chance with the one and try.
We're back at it again, guys. Day 2. We'll try our luck. We're not too sure how it will go, but yeah, we'll try it. Murder. Oi, murder for real. Murder. Guys, so we're back at it again. Day 2. This is Jayla, guys. You might have remembered her from previous videos. So she decided to give it a try and actually throw it some line. Me never get to do it. Throw a line. So guys, both of them are trying to reel up the card. Two of them say them have fish pan it, so let's see who have fish pan it for real.
None have none for me. Me sure say me don't have none.
Let us see. Here comes one with nothing. Hey, what's a fish? You not have none? Sir? You not have none? You not catch none? Yes, sir? Yeah, I can see the disappointment. So you've made it to the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. See you in the next video.